Hi everyone, today we are going to be looking at how to use the shortcut feature in the YakChat app. To add a shortcut to your app, start by opening the settings and navigating to the Shortcuts tab. Click Create Shortcut, then enter a name for your shortcut and the message you'd like it to send when selected. In the settings you can also edit. Or delete any existing shortcuts. To use a shortcut, click the Shortcut button, the lightning bolt icon, and choose the shortcut you want to send. For a quicker option, just type a hashtag while composing a message to instantly add a shortcut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more YakChat tips and features.